A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment. What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new update on the Gala token. And Gala Games, just wanted to do a full fundamental update, which is not going to be too long, don't worry, but we have to talk about some fundamentals and just in general the fundamental surroundings, environment of Gala. And then we'll take a look at the technicals. Technicals are looking pretty great right now, pretty bullish. We just had a bullish breakout yesterday evening above this level around 4.6, 4.7. So now the big question is we're heading towards that level around 5.2 cents again. Can we break above that, and what can we expect? So we'll talk about all of that. Let's get right into it. Right now, Gala, together with the entire market, a lot of bullish momentum came into the markets yesterday. And Gala profited quite a lot, where volume is up about 82%, and a lot of that was bullish volume. We're up about 16%, as I said, had a major bullish breakout. And when taking a look at the volume, there's like 20, perhaps a little bit more percent of the volume coming from not the most reliable sources, but in the end, I mean, Gala is still, ever since the big news at the beginning of January, we've still been very much hyped up coin. Sometimes with a hyped up coin, you cannot expect the volume to be amazing, right? You just can't. So yeah, that's nothing to worry about, I think. Apart from that, there's no big fundamental updates on Gala's acquisition of that mobile game studio. There's no known development on their own blockchain, even though they're doing great fundamentally, but still. And if we take a look at the Gala burn rate, we can see that there's still a lot of inflation every day, which is not ideal if you hold Gala and if nothing happens fundamentally. But for now, since we had that bullish momentum yesterday, I wouldn't be too worried about it. But it's something you should take into account. It's something you should know. If you want to look this up, go to dune.com and then look up Gala burn overview, and you'll find the dashboard. Very interesting, very handy, almost necessary. But that's kind of the fundamental environment. If we then take a look at the technicals, as I said, we just had a major bullish breakout above this level right here. Can I actually, here, I think this actually, this dot, you used to be able to have like a laser dot, but I guess no longer. All right, let's get into it. So we broke above the 382 fib, 4.7, 4.6, major resistance level, major technical level. So with that bullish breakout, we've actually entered a way more bullish market, I think. The one thing I'm worried about is this trend line a little bit, but in the end, trend lines are not everything. I expect us to find resistance there. So right now we're also heading up there, but from that resistance, I think we'll just drop down to, at the very most, 4.6, 4.7, but perhaps even just down to like 4.9, 4.8. And then at some point, still this week, I think we're also able to break above 5.2 and to get back up to 5.6, 5.7. From there, we'll see again, we'll probably get into some sort of a consolidation between 5.7 and 5.2. But I do think in general we can do this, because even though this trend line is still descending and bearish, we broke above the 382 fib, we broke above the 0.5, we're very much testing the 618. So there are other bearish indicators that we have already confirmed above that were bullish. And that's why I think this trend line could be a great trade, to the downside very quickly, but it's in general, I might actually take this trade, but in general, I don't think it's strong enough to eventually hold us. So it's a very risky trade. And I expect the bullish momentum in the market to continue. So with that, I expect to just everything for me lines up that will break above 5.2, both the technicals, but also the fundamentals. So that's my take on Gala this morning. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.